Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint recognition scanner doesn't register your fingerprints correctly. In such case, you're gonna have to open settings, and in settings scroll down. First let me lower the brightness a little. Then in settings go to lock screen. Select screen lock and biometrics and enter your password if you have one. If you don't have one, of course, add it before. Then go to fingerprints, and before you add a fingerprint to your device, of course, if you have any previously added fingerprints, then remove them beforehand. And also make sure that your device doesn't have any unoriginal screen protectors on it, because they may affect the way that your fingerprint unlocking behaves. And also make sure to wipe the entire surface of your screen to make sure that it registers the fingerprints correctly. Be careful not to damage your screen. And once you're ready, tap register and proceed by pressing this reader with your fingerprints, with your finger. Try using different parts of your fingerprint to press it to ensure the best experience for you. Proceed. Okay, it's almost filled, and okay, and right now we are done. So right now you can click done, then scroll down the settings to software update, select software update, then select download and install, and check if your device has any updates to download. And if it doesn't, if it does, of course, take your time and install them. But if it doesn't, hold down the power button and the volume down key at the same time until you see this screen, then select restart, confirm, and wait until your tablet is restarted. Then we're gonna check the way fingerprint scanner lock behaves now. Okay, once the tablet is restarted, first you're gonna have to enter your password to unlock this device, and then we'll be able to use our fingerprint instead. So let's lock the screen and let's use the fingerprint to unlock this device. Okay, so it worked for the first time. Let's try it a couple more times. Okay, once again. Okay, and it works almost perfectly, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.